around 5 miles an hour. Friday, mostly sunny.
Will be green. It's like some color variation. Because it makes sense for them to be brown in the desert. This ain't no desert. Oh yeah. So
This is a test of the no-weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather
thing about hunger in Minecraft is that almost everything you do takes away some portion of your hunger.
In western Missouri,
For example, breaking blocks.
Tests are normally conducted by the National Weather
And
Service.
I guess also counts for insta-mining blocks. So
when there is a threat of
doing this,
existing severe weather
I
in
can't
the area
sprint
on
anymore.
Wednesday, the test is postponed until the first
How am I
good
still
weather day.
picking up leaves?
Reception of this broad.
Oh, never mind.
This
How long was that? 2 minutes maybe?
Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for specific quantities and warnings in the Kansas City listening area. This test is for the following counties. In Missouri, Cass, Clay, Jackson, Johnson, Lafayette, Platte, and Ray. In Kansas, Douglas, Johnson, Leavenworth, Miami, and Wyandotte. This includes the test of the new weather radio warning device.